Forex trading involves risk and may not be suitable for all investors.
Performance and risk. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. What that really means is just because a certain strategy performed well over the past year does not mean it will profit the next month. Rest assured, there will be days when you log into your account and see it down a few percentage points. So expecting every day or even every month to be profitable is not the right expectation. Expecting, however, that every quarter and certainly every year is profitable is of course the mission of FX Diversified, our trading program, and any solid investment strategy. Good money management and risk allocation all leads back to our top priority, which is capital preservation. No one wants to lose money, and so by never putting too much risk with any one trade, strategy, or currency, we improve our probabilities of avoiding excess losses. We trade multiple diversified strategies, and we review each strategy often and decide if any tweaks or changes need to be made, especially related to market dynamics. Our belief is that to obtain consistent results, there are two keys that play a big role in that. First and foremost, risk must be managed appropriately. That means that any trade or strategy should never have too much risk placed on it. Some of the most successful investors of all time have admitted that they often do win only 50% of the time, but because of the good risk to reward management that they have, they're able to be profitable for their clients consistently. By having higher take profit targets, for example, if I risk $100, I'm trying to make $150 to $200 per trade, and by having good risk to reward management, the probability of being profitable is increased significantly, as the winning trades are worth more than the losing trades. Psychologically, you must prepare yourself to see losses, as every profitable trading system and money manager has periods of losses or drawdown. Even Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor, has had periods of loss. And so maintaining discipline during those periods of losses is instrumental to being consistently profitable. The biggest enemy to being consistently profitable is just that, being inconsistent. So you've got to stick with your rules, stick with your money management, and that is how you can properly manage risk and have a good chance at being profitable.